In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you fix unable to install app error on iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, give a first restart to your device. A simple restart can clear temporary system glitches that may be preventing the app from installing. Next up, launch settings. Go to General, go to iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload unused apps. Likewise, head back, navigate to the option software update. If any updates are available for your device, you will need to update it. Then you can head back. Now, navigate to the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset network settings and complete this process. Next up, head back. Go to the main page of settings, scroll down and go to screen time, go to content and privacy restriction. Now head over to the option iTunes and App Store purchases. Now here, navigate to the option in-app purchases and check in for the option of allow. Also ensure installing apps and deleting apps are also allowed. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to install apps on your device. Also check that you are signed in with the correct Apple account. For that, launch your App Store, click on the profile icon. If there are any pending downloads, cancel it and re-download it. So that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.